Hello, hello. My name is Vilnis Priedītis. I'm CEO of Ditex Token. Yeah, Ditex Token, it's a revenue sharing token. That means every token holder of Ditex Token will receive weekly income from different products. It could be Web3 products. It could be also Web2 products. Yeah, and the main thing is that some part of our turnover from our products always will go to our token holders, and they will receive every Monday some revenue on their crypto wallets. So simply, yeah. Okay, today I would like to announce some percent of those our products what we are creating right now, what will be distributed to our token holders and our NFT holders. Yeah. So first of all, I would like to explain that all token holders of Ditex token and all NFT holders of Ditex Genius NFT will receive income every Monday on liquidity pool Ditex tokens. It will be in USDT equivalent. Yeah. So that means it's even better than to receive USDT because this amount of money will go directly to liquidity pool. And if you like, you can hold it on LP token and receive income from every trade on DEX exchange QuickSwap. QuickSwap is the exchange where we will list our token on 16th of October. As we announced before from our first product, what we will launch on the very beginning of October, token holders will receive 40% of our income. Proportionally to their amount of tokens on their wallets. And NFT holders will receive 4% of income. So 4% to NFT holders and 40% to token holders. Yeah. For example, company receive 10,000 USDT per week. 4,400 will pay directly to token holders and NFT holders. It will be LP tokens on this amount in USDT. Yeah, so if you like, you can sell it, this LP token to receive USDT immediately. If you like, you can place it and hold it in LP token and receive extra profit. And from our another product, Matchful, we will distribute 19% of our turnover to token holders and 2% of our turnover to NFT holders. Yeah. Oh, many of you can ask, what is Matchful? We heard something about Silo. Okay, let's explain. I will explain you the next slide in this. Yes, Silo, we started to creating dating app Silo. But now we understand that we are creating actually something different than thousands of dating apps all around the world. We are creating first service in the world what will find for you the most suitable partner for life, for business, for hobbies. Yes, it's not only for your life, it's not only for your relations and romantic relations. Yeah, it's also for hobbies. It's for different social activities. It's also for business. Yeah, and it's quite difficult for business people to find right psychologically compatible partner for their businesses. Yeah, it's actually almost impossible. Yeah, and our app will provide this service. You will not need to look in big database, where is my right partner. Yeah, we will do it for you, and we will provide you and offer you the best possible partner. Yeah, so we are proud to say that we are creating partner app, not dating app, but partner app, and this is first in the world partner app. Yeah, and I'm absolutely sure that 80% of online users needs this product, this type of product. Yeah, because somebody needs a partner for life, for romantic relations. Somebody needs for hobbies, for this different social activities. Somebody needs for business. Yeah, and it's huge demand for this kind of product. Yeah, and what else? We are providing results guarantee. We guarantee your results. Yeah, when we will not find the right person for you, will pay back money for you. And our results are achieved using a unique blend of personality, ancient science, algorithms, and artificial intelligence. Yeah, so this algorithm is absolutely unique. Today is possible also invest in equity of this company, and this possibly potentially unicorn company in the future. Yeah, and it's possible to invest also in equity starting from 1,000 euros. It is Latvian company registered in Latvian Republic. If you are interested in that possibility, please just write me and I will send you additional information. Yeah, how our app works. Yeah, it's absolutely simply you are registering. Yeah, you are entering your moment of birth. Okay, not everybody knows that, but date of birth, you know, of course. Yeah, you are filling some personality tests. Then algorithm analyzes your results and another partner's results. Yeah, we are using psychology, astrology, enneagram. Yeah, and our algorithm offer you the best partner, the best possible partner for you. When you like it for business, it will be for business. When you like it for some kind of hobby, okay, there are different variety of hobbies. Yeah, we'll find you for your hobby partner. When you are looking for romantic relations and marriage, we will find for marriage for your life partner. Yeah, and we will do that. You will not need to switch and swap again some app and looking in very big database. We will do it for you. Yeah, and so it will be the first unique service in the world, such kind of service. Yeah. Okay, let's return to our token. Our token will be listed on 16th of October, 14 o'clock UTC on DEX exchange QuickSwap. It's the biggest DEX for tokens on Polygon network, and price will be 1.5 cents at the listing moment. Yeah, so we have a unique product, Matchful. No one else has even do something similar. Yeah, we have unique income system in USDT equivalent Dytex LP token. It will be automatically paid for you every Monday. We have unique Genius, Dytex Genius NFT for early investors. Also, it's possible to have some of them are still available for you. Dytex DAO also is coming soon. It will be possible for you to take part in decision making of very important decisions of our ecosystem in the future. I think it will be somewhere in 6 months. And our token, it's impossible to mint extra tokens. Yeah, and we also started some burning process. Yeah, and at the moment of listing, we will have only 555,555,555 tokens in circulation amount. Yeah, and it will never be more than that number. All information, of course, you can find in our website, dytextoken.com. Also, there are our social networks, Telegram groups, and different another social networks. Yeah? Okay, I would like today explain also about one new possibility for you, because we have started a cooperation with XDAO platform, and in a very near future, there will be the possibility to vote for important decisions of our ecosystem. Yeah, and also we are starting to distribute our governance tokens right now. Yeah, but voting will start a bit later. Yeah. So, but today we opened one fantastic opportunity for you to earn extra money. Yeah, when you are joining a new pool of Dytex DAO LP tokens. This pool is maximum amount of this pool is 100,000 USDT, and you can join this pool starting just from 1 USDT, only 1 USDT. Yeah? And this pool is creating for 1 year, yeah, and 50% of your investment. For example, you are investing $100 in this pool. $50 going directly to the Dytex LP token in pair with USDT on QuickSwap exchange at the listing moment on 16th of October. Yeah? And we will give you bonus, another $50, the same amount of your investment. We will add for pair this pair, and they will be your. It will we will give you like a bonus that, yeah, and we will give extra Dytex tokens. So when you take back or sell your Dytex DAO LP token, you will receive both this total amount to your crypto wallet. Yeah. Okay. This part of this pool will go directly to Quick Stock Exchange, and of course, this pool will receive income from Quick Swap Exchange, and you can take it every moment proportionate of your amount of investment in this pool. Yeah, from Quick Swap commissions, trading commissions. It will be until 15th of October of 2024. Yeah, remaining 50% of your investment we will with this money support the Chainlotto starting ad campaign, and we are launching very soon, and we will give back you to this pool up to 10% of all income of Chainlotto during 1 year. It will be till 15th of October 15th of 2024. This 10% will be in case when we receive when we have $100,000 in this pool. If it will be less, it will be proportionally less also what we will give back to this pool investors. Yeah, and after October 15th of 2024, you can receive 100% back your LP token and sell, and together with profit. Yeah, and so easy. And from this moment, we are starting also to give our investors our governance tokens. When you are investing 100 USDT or more in this pool, you receive one governance token, as I explained. Somewhere in some 6 months, we will start also decision making through our DAO society, and DAO, decentralized automatic organization, and then you will be able also to join decision-making process of our ecosystem, very important decisions. So a few words about crypto lottery Chainlotto. It's absolutely unique. It's ready. This product is it's almost ready, and we will launch it right before the listing, and with one ticket which costs 10 USD, you can win 5 times. It's possible to win 5 times, 40 USDT, 100 USDT, 1,000, 10,000, even 100,000 USDT. And it will, these winners will be calculated randomly after every 20 bought tickets. You just need sometimes to wait a bit till the next prize and look if you has won. And it will be absolutely decentralized, absolutely transparent on blockchain, and $1 from every ticket will come to our company's income. When, for example, we sell once 100,000 tickets. Yes, that means company's profit is minimum $100,000. There will be also some referral commissions. And yes, as I started to explain, this product will have 3-level referral commissions, and it's like some kind of money machine for you. When you are joining this product, buy one lottery ticket. It's necessary to buy one lottery ticket. Then you will receive your referral link, and when you share it with your friends, or maybe you are a crypto blogger, and maybe you are some leader of some network marketing company, it will be very easy for you, and a lot of money, and it will be always when people from your structure and 3 levels will buy some lottery tickets. So it looks like that from 3 levels, from every single lottery ticket, what anybody buys in your 3 levels of your referral system, you will receive also $1 from every ticket, and this $1 USDT will go directly to your crypto wallet. Okay, about our roadmap. Today we have some rebranding of Silo to Matchful. We will launch very soon Chainlotto. At this moment is open our public sale. It will be until 10th of October. then after that 5 days, it will be impossible to buy any DITEX token, and we will list on the QuickSwap exchange on the 16th of October 2023. At the very end of Q4, we will launch Matchful app, our first partners app in the world. Of course, we are creating new different collaborations with different partners. And at the beginning of next year, we are planning global expansion of Matchful, and we definitely see unicorn potential in this product. And of course, we will start to set up new startups in our ecosystem, and there will be possible at this moment to vote for that for everybody who likes that, and will give some value for our ecosystem. Okay, a few words about our tokenomics. It's very important about tokenomics. At this moment, we have 690 million tokens circulating supply. We sold 70 million in seed round, 168 million and in private sale. And now for public sale, we have 51,334,181 token. And the token price at the public sale is between 0.0025 to 0.0035 USDT per one token. And 20% of these tokens will be unlocked at the listing moment. It's on 16th of October, and rest 80% will be unlocked during next 24 months, starting from 16th of the same day, 16th of October. So we have only 51 million token and at this round. And after that, after 10th of October till 16th of October, in these 5 days, we will burn some more tokens, and the rest of our tokens as the listing moment will be 555,555,555 tokens, and it will never be more, because it's impossible to mint extra tokens. And there will be some burning from different parts of our ecosystem, and it will increase, it will really increase real value of our token. Okay, but I would like to explain one more thing. Many people understand the value of our ecosystem, value of our products, our long-term business, and come to our ecosystem, invest in our DITEX token, because they would like to receive weekly income from products, from real products. So for those people, it's no difference, absolutely no difference. Are their tokens locked or are they unlocked? Locked tokens and unlocked tokens will give you the same income, the same. It's no difference, absolutely. So that means for people who would like to invest in long term and receive real long-term income, they need only one thing, to buy as cheap as possible DITEX tokens. And so it's a reason why we made one more option for you. We decided to offer you a possibility to choose price. You can buy in public sale tokens even cheaper than these prices. And it will be, let me explain in the next slide. So our public sale will go until 10th of October. And yes, 41 million token we are selling through our own resources, our website, our Telegram bot, and Jump and Launchpad we will sell 10 million our tokens. And there are two options, as I explained. One option is to buy tokens starting from 0.0016. It's much more cheaper than 0.25. Till 0.20. But in this case, your vesting or unlock period will be 36 months starting from 16th of October. So you receive cheaper, and this period is longer. And when you are going for regular weekly income, it's the best choice for you. Another option is to buy tokens more expensive, 0.025 till 0.02035, and then you will have standard conditions like 20% on listing date and 24 months, the rest of 80% will be unlocked. The same conditions like on option 2 is on Gempad Launchpad. Yeah, so there are two options. Yeah, minimum investment in public sale is 50 USDT, maximum is 2,500 USDT. It's impossible to invest a very big amount of money from one wallet in this stage of our token sale. And there is also one fast come first serve option. First 100 investors who invest 100 USDT or more on public sale will receive exclusive Dytex Bronze Genesis NFT. Yeah, we have a little bit more than 100 NFTs left from a private round, and fast 100 investors will receive directly to their wallet. And these NFT will go next day. For example, you are investing today, and tomorrow you are receiving this NFT, and these NFT are not locked like tokens. You can sell if you like immediately. Okay, and on next slide I'll explain you what does it mean price from one to another, from 110016 to 0020, yeah, how it will be changed. Yeah, so price structure of our public sale, it's only on our own resources. Yeah, first 7 million tokens we will sell for the best possible price. It doesn't matter you are choosing option 1 or option 2. Yeah, when 7 million tokens will be sold, then price is increasing. Yeah, 0.0017 or 0.0027. Yeah, next 7 million and so on. Yeah, and first investors will buy cheaper. No, the last ones will buy more expensive. Yeah, so it's very simply. Yeah, so you need to make decision quite fast to receive the best possible price. Yeah? And once again, where to buy and how to buy Dytex tokens on public sales stage. Yeah, first of all, it's on our website, dytextoken.com. There is part where you can invest. It's called Invest Now. Also, there is a Google form what you need to fill. In this Google form, you need to say, are you choosing option 1 or option 2? Yeah, and it's absolutely simple, easy to understand. Yeah, and also it is possible through our Telegram bot, and Telegram bot is a fantastic tool that gives you opportunity to earn money right now today. Yeah, because in our Telegram bot we have a 3-level referral program. Yeah, when you, for example, recommend somebody to this public sale event of our Dytex token, yeah, you receive 10% commission. From second level, 7%, from third level, 3%. Everything is very simply written in our Telegram bot, and also when you have some questions, you can type there directly, and you'll have answer how to do that. And also in this Telegram bot, you need to choose option. When we pay this referral bonuses next day. Yeah, for example, your partner invest today in Dytex token, tomorrow you will receive USDT on your crypto wallet. Only one thing what you need to do, you need yourself invest at least 50 USDT to receive referral bonuses. Yeah, when you did it before in private round, it counts. You don't need to buy once again. Yeah, if you don't like, but if you like, of course, you're very welcome. And yeah, this is conditions. Yeah, and Gempad Launchpad. Yeah, you can visit also Gempad Launchpad site, and it's of course we are expecting for many new community from Japan. Yeah. So actually, this was this information what I would like to tell you. I will be very happy when you write me on email or on Telegram. Also, you can write on our Telegram chat from dietextoken.com website. You can find all our social networks, yeah, or you can ask the person who sent for maybe you this video, or you can ask also on our Telegram bot any questions, and we will receive very quick answers. Yeah, and you are very welcome to our community. I can promise you, I promise you that we will do everything the best, all the best what we can to create the best possible products in the world and to keep the as high as possible Ditex token price in the future. So thank you very much for everybody and good luck and see you soon. Bye-bye.